Hi everybody, Indie Gordon is back. I am so excited to be back. I have been away for such a long time. I am so sorry for being MIA, but thank you to everybody that kind of like reached out, sent messages and just made sure I was doing okay. I have missed you all, and there isn't really a lot to it. I will explain where I've been, but it's very simple. But I am back. I'm not going anywhere. I'm excited to be back, and I thought the best way to come back into my lovely YouTube community is to do what I do best and eat. As you guys can see, I've actually moved. I am in my new apartment, so I'm really excited. I don't have any pots or pans, so I'm going to do a what I eat in a day, a microwave edition. I'm still on my journey to lose weight, and I'll be getting back into that. I have some packages that should be coming that will aid my weight loss and stuff like that. So I'm really excited. But before anything, I need coffee. So I'm gonna go get some coffee, and then we will come back and have some breakfast. Guys, look at the view. This is my view. When I walk outside of my apartment, this is what I see. It's just insane. So I'm so grateful for everyone that kind of like checked in on me. There was so much happening, and I just needed a break. Basically, that's all it is. So many things were happening at once, and my health was starting to deteriorate, so I had to take a break. I had to kind of like plan and structure, but I am back. I'm so excited. New environment. That's why I'm so excited to do this video today, because I still don't have pots and pans and stuff like that. So it's what I eat in a day microwave edition. So I've literally just moved in, guys, so I have ordered stuff and it's coming this week, so this will be good. We'll have loads of great stuff, but until then it's a lot of microwaves and healthy takeouts and stuff like that, but that's fine. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so for breakfast I'm actually gonna have some oats. I'm gonna have this Quaker simple oats, and it's just original flavour, so no added sugar, no added artificial sweeteners or anything like that. It's 100% whole grain as well, so it's literally just oats in a small tub. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave like a few momentos. I'm just gonna give it a quick. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for kind of like, yeah, that amount of time. Okay. Beautiful. And then I've got my bowl here. I'm just gonna pour some into the bowl because it's quite a lot. This is 40 grams. And then I'm gonna add some blueberries. And then I'm gonna add some mango. So I have my oats here, and it has banana in the oats with oat milk. I have some blueberries and I have some mango, and this was all made in the microwave. Obviously I didn't need to heat up the fruit, but yeah. And then I have a filter coffee from Pret, and yeah, I haven't, it's got some bananas as well. I haven't done this in such a long time, so I'm so excited to be back. Yeah, it's not crazy sweet obviously because I didn't add any sweetener, but I don't need sweetener because the milk and the fruit, and also when you let the bananas, I should have cooked the bananas in the oats because that would have released the sweetness a lot faster, but it's so good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get some work done, eat this, and then see you when I see you. Bye. I am so tired. I've had like 10 million meetings today, so I'm literally just like lying on my bed with my type 1 diabetic Teddy. His name is Teddy. I need a break. So I haven't been feeling too hot recently. If you're type 1 diabetic, you have compromised immune system anyway, just like cancer patients and stuff like that. Your immune system is pretty much non-existent, so you have to be really careful. But I always try and kind of like boost my immune system, just to give me a bit more support, because I really feel it. I start to feel really tired and sluggish and heavy and just drowsy, so I have to do everything possible. So I'm gonna have this power sour shot. It is, I'll tell you exactly what it has in it. It's got orange juice, white grapes, sour cherry puree, lemon juice, raspberry puree, white agave, cherry puree. It's got beetroot, vitamin B1, B3, and so many other things. So it's a good boost to the immune system. I do believe in these. I think giving yourself that shot of vitamins and vegetables and fruits is really, really good. So this is my mid-morning snack. Yeah. Oh, that's really nice. Got a ginger one as well I'm gonna try. Not today though. Oh, it's actually really good. I feel good. It is definitely sour, but it's a good thing I like sour stuff, because if you're not a tart sour type of person, this will probably be a bit too much for you, but super, super tasty. Okay, bye. Okay, so for lunch, I'm not too hungry right now, but I am gonna eat. I'm gonna have this steamed bun. It's basically just got beef in the middle, and yeah, it's not too bad in terms of calories, and I feel like it's dense enough where it'll be good. I've also never really tried stuff like this before. I've had it in like, you know, Asian restaurants and stuff like that, but actually bought a ready-made one I've never tried, so I thought I'd give it a go. Okay, here it is. It only needed 40 seconds, which is really weird. Whoa, that is hot already. Okay. Interesting. Toronto.
I don't even like big puddles.
Can you see it? That's what it looks like inside. So it's just got beef inside. How exciting. It's literally just bread and beef and stuff like that. So I'll give it a go.
The dessert wasn't quite what I thought it would be, but it was lovely, really nice.
The dessert this evening was
the beef is so sweet.
was looked really nice, but it just was.
It reminds me of
Pleasant evening. I just feel the food.
if you've ever had a Caribbean patty, they put like sweet beef in it, and this is exactly what that reminds me of. It's really good. I really like it.
Really delicious course. The other two's let her down. So for that reason.
Our summer of sci-fi continues every night at 9 on Film 4. It's not fun anymore. There's a new normal. I don't feel comfortable walking around like we usually do. With new
It's
pressures.
milk tea with pearls, jelly pearls. It's really good. The tea is really strong and it's not super sweet, but it does have brown sugar in it. Very good. Okay, this is what I'm having for dinner. It's a little bit of mashed potato, so it's leftovers. It's Nando's leftovers, so mashed potato, 2 deboned chicken thighs, some salad and some coleslaw, and I've got some juice here. Okay, for final snack, I am having some popcorn. It's almost done. I'm really excited. That's going to be the last thing I consume tonight. But guys, I am so excited to be back. I'm so excited to be recording new videos for you all. Don't mind my dry lips and my messy hair, but I'm really glad to be back. So yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Don't you just love a house that smells like popcorn?